Hey, what's going on, you guys? Alec Miles here, your smart Alec realtor going the extra miles, and today I'm excited. I'm meeting some very special clients. We just sold their house and we're going to look at some properties to buy. This little cutie in the north end of London, super cute, listed by Prime Real Estate. Shout out Justin, what up buddy? Just wanted to touch base with you guys. There is so much inventory that's just kind of sitting on the market right now that if you have buyers, one, if you have investors, you should definitely be showing those investors, reaching out to them. You know, even if something's priced a little bit higher but could cash flow, you're definitely going to be able to get a deal on that. And with the amount of potential for rent, we did a couple of leases the other day, and the response for small units was just unbelievable. So investors out there, if you have the liquidity to be acquiring property, trust me, you're going to be really happy with the amount of rent that you're going to get. Now, on the normal buyer side of things, if you guys are looking for a family home, I know the interest rates have gone up, but you know, we're getting back to normal rates, truthfully. I know the media kind of poses a lot of, you know, what the heck is going on here, and the sky is falling. Sky is not falling. Interest rates are becoming, you know, at reasonable prices. So get your buyers out there, take a look around. There's deals to be had. Investors, get your buying hats on, and you should be investing, because there's huge opportunities out there to not only cash flow, but to get a great deal on a family home. So I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon, and all the best for now. Take care.